Hello, so today we've got the Happijac turnbuckle system. It's the original, and they offer two varieties, the original or the quick version. This is the box that it'll come in, and you'll see that there are two pieces of the long barrel and two pieces of the short barrel, and then so you can see the difference in size there. You will also have a short and a long threaded hook. There's two pieces of each of those. The front is going to have the long barrel with the short hook, and the rear is going to have the short barrel with the long hook. So it's a little confusing. Just make sure you read your instructions and you put them in the right direction, because one is supposed to be on the front and one is supposed to be in the back. You can't switch them around. So we're going to start out with assembling the front turnbuckles. Again, that's the long barrel with the short hook. And what you're going to want to do is you'll take one nut that's supplied in the kit, and you'll thread that on the threaded hook, and then you'll thread that into the barrel.
You can do it, an inch or two, it should be fine to get started.
Once you've got that threaded in like this, the instructions say to hold the assembly with your hand and make a mark along right where the stationary hook meets with the barrel. So you'll make a mark there, and that will help you when you're assembling that on the truck. When you assemble it to the truck, you're going to put it in the opposite direction, and you will put this, attach that to the truck, and you'll start spinning the barrel until everything tightens up. And what you want to see is that mark that you made will be separate from the barrel by 1/4 of an inch, and then you'll know that you've got the proper tension. At that point, you can fasten down your locking nut and tighten that with the wrench, and everything will be assembled properly. Alright, so we have the Happijac turnbuckle system attached to our Torklift bracket. We chose to go with the Torklift brackets instead of the Happijac assembly. So the bracket comes out lower on the truck. As you can see, the Happijac system is too short for this, so we've added a piece of chain. That's 1/4 inch chain with two 5/8 inch shackles to hold in between. We've got, as you remember, we marked a line on the bottom here. We've turned the turnbuckle to give us a gap of 1/4 of an inch down here at the bottom between the base of the turnbuckle and the hook, and then we tightened up our lock nut on here. So this is the final assembly for us. We'll go ahead and cut this chain to length now that we have it on, but I just wanted to show you how that looked. And then we have the rear Happijac turnbuckle, and we'll place that on the back here and tighten that up. That'll be a complete assembly for the Happijac original system, and you have another video of us installing the Torklift brackets. So I'll put the links to these parts on the bottom of the video, and you can buy those if you want. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.